Wow, you're just gonna just clear like that?
What can I say? Do you eat the raw ones?
Yeah, I get raw and I get picked sometimes.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be filming a day in my life. Let me just hold the camera. I'm sorry, I'm trying to film it in my car like other YouTubers. It's really freaking hard. So yeah, so basically I'm at home right now in my house in Houston, and I'm actually leaving to go back to school today as well. But basically there's just a couple of things I want to get done today, so I'm about to go pick up some stuff from my mom at Aldi, and then I'm gonna come back, and me and my friend Ralph are hanging out later. So we're gonna go to Subway and maybe go buy some makeup or something. And it is really hot in Houston right now, which is so crazy because literally yesterday it was so cold. But that's the thing about Houston, like the weather is bipolar. So after me and my friend go shopping, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna finish packing up the rest of my stuff, and then I'm going to go to the bus station. So I take the bus from Houston to Austin because my parents didn't let me take my car when I was going to school. So it's not bad at all. I literally just sleep on there and it has Wi-Fi and stuff, so that's all good. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back in school around 7. I don't know, I haven't been doing my weekly vlogs as consistently just because I feel like every day doesn't need to be vlogged. But right now I'm gonna go to Aldi and get that stuff from my mom, and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm about to pick up Ralph. So yeah. Y'all, look who's here. Look who came.
Know me.
Third wheel. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. And we're going to Subway now. I don't know what I want though. They have $5 footlongs.
Hold on.
Oh, we just got our Subway. I didn't even show my sandwich. It's a chicken teriyaki, and I got like cucumbers
why
and stuff.
does this look the way that it looks right now? I feel like for God's sake.
Let me see. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna put my camera in there. I haven't had Subway and I don't even know,
I gotta
man.
be careful.
Let me see your sandwich, Carmela. Did you get a footlong? What's up, you guys? So I just started the 72-hour fast vlog. Hopefully by the time this video is up, that video will be up too. But basically me and like 3 other friends are doing like a 72-hour water fast where we're not going to eat anything and stuff like that. It's basically supposed to be like a detox type situation, and I feel like I definitely need that. I mean, I'm not going to go too much into detail in this vlog because I'm already vlogging the experience in the other video, but I could definitely use a 72-hour fast. Like, you guys, I'm not gonna like expose myself or anything, but I feel like drinking and like, you know, just ingesting things that aren't good for my body. So I think overall it's time for me to get my together and like be fit. But yeah, so anyways, today's Monday. Destiny isn't here, my roommate isn't here. She's actually home in Houston to visit her parents for the weekend. So I'm not sure when she's coming back, but it's just been me in the room for a couple of days, even though I've literally had guests over every day because I hate being here alone. But yeah, so today I have a whole bunch of shit to do as usual. Y'all know Monday through Wednesdays are like the busiest part of my week. So I'm about to go to the post office to ship back this serum that I bought from The Ordinary that's ass. You guys, I hate The Ordinary products. I'm so sorry, but they're so ass. The area around my eyes would burn like shit, man. And I guess because the darkening around my eyes was so gradual, I didn't even notice that it was happening, but it definitely was happening, and it was taking a huge toll on my confidence. I didn't feel confident without makeup anymore. That is the second or third time I've had an adverse reaction to some of The Ordinary's products, so I'm so sorry, but I don't love their stuff. I'm just gonna try this one more serum, and if that doesn't work, like, I'm so done with them. Like, their stuff is just weird. I'm so sorry about that little rant, but I'm so tired of like buying hyped up, like The Ordinary is so hyped up and their stuff is not even good. Like, I'd rather just spend a little more and get a serum that's not gonna irritate my face and turn my eyes black. I've basically stripped down my skincare routine to just my CeraVe cleanser. I've been using this sunscreen, which is the Walgreens SPF 50 hydrating sunscreen. If it will focus, that's what it looks like. I've stopped using Hydro Boost because Hydro Boost also has alcohol denat in it, which is basically like rubbing alcohol, so I feel like that might have just worsened the problem around my eyes. So that's been the only two things I've been using in the mornings. I've been wanting to make an updated skincare routine for literally ever, but like I want a very specific skincare routine. I want something that's sustainable, I want something that's affordable. And the way that I've just been switching products in and out, like in the past 3 months I've probably tried like 4 different sunscreens, 4 different serums, and like I just want something that I feel comfortable recommending to other people. I brought back my little tripod from my house that I had left at home. So I am about to go to the post office. I don't know if I'm gonna bring the camera, if I'm just gonna hold my phone. Wow, I should have brought the tripod a long time ago. But you guys see how cute my outfit is today? I'm wearing this little cropped tank from my Shein haul. If you guys haven't seen my Shein haul, I'll link it down below. And I'm wearing my black sweatpants. I actually did my makeup in here today, which I never do. So I've been saying I'm gonna go to the post office for like an hour now. Let me go. All right, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I just left the post office. Tell me why I had to pay $6. She was like, I had to buy a label, which was 99 cents because it didn't have it addressed or something. And then the actual cost of shipping was like $5. But hopefully I'll get my refund or whatever. So now I'm gonna go to Target to see if I can get that tape measure. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm about to enter Rag Stock, even though that's not why I came here. Ugh. To Rag Stock you go. So the fringe set is basically just a bra and underwear. Like if it was like high-waisted shorts, I would totally wear it, but like it's basically like a swimsuit, which I think is a bit much, even though I'm trying to be a hoe this year. So I was thinking, like, should I just be basic and be a cheerleader? They don't even have the Clover's cheerleader outfits. Like I would want to be a Clover if I was going to be a cheerleader. How much are these? Oh, it's only $10. She said these are all buy one get one 50% off on all the costumes. So yeah, they have like actual, like they have Baylor Bears right there, then they have Texans, they have OSU, so I don't know, then University of Alabama, I think. I really want it to be, I don't know, let me call Destiny back and see, or maybe I should be an angel. I'm not gonna wear this frilly ass dress, it's very ugly. The corsets are over here, and this one is like, it's already on sale for like $6, and after the discount she said it comes out to like $3. So I was thinking maybe I should just wear a corset, but that doesn't go with my costume. Like what would I wear a corset with, you know what I mean? So yeah, I was thinking I could also be, what's her name from Clueless, the girl, but I don't have a blonde wig. I'd have to be blonde to do it. That is so cute, it's very 90s. Let me take a picture and put it in the portfolio. Hey guys, so I just got back from the dollar store and I'm starting to feel like a little like I want to eat something, but not like I'm hungry. Just like my mouth is really dry, so I'm just gonna keep drinking water. And yeah, I'm just feeling like really dehydrated and like kind of tired right now. I don't know, I just don't feel that great. Maybe if I just take a nap then I'll feel better, but my throat is really dry. I'm sure I just need to drink some more water and I'll be fine. So yeah, I'm about to get into this Zoom meeting, as you guys can see, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's Thursday and I broke my fast today. I'm sorry I haven't really been vlogging on here as much, and that's just because all the vlog footage I've gotten, I'm gonna use it for the fasting video. So yeah, I haven't really been vlogging on here, but today's Thursday and I'm about to go get sushi with my friends Leslie and Vivian. And so yeah, I broke my fast earlier today. I don't really want to talk too much about it in this video because I feel like that's what the fasting vlog is for, but I'm just getting ready. They said they're gonna come pick me up at 7 and it is 6:23. I'm pretty sure it's like super hot outside, so yeah, I'm just gonna wear a tank top and leggings. The sushi place we're going to is called Kura. I've been there before and their stuff is like $2 or $3 a plate and it's really good. I already know what I'm gonna get. So yeah, you guys, I'm sorry, my hair is so old, but I literally can't take it out because the thought of washing my thick natural hair with the dandruff and everything that's been there for how many months in that little ass bathroom with the water that doesn't even flow is just giving me anxiety. So I think I'm either gonna go home and wear a wig for the rest of the semester, because by the time I go home there's only gonna be like, we're only gonna be here for like 2 more weeks, and so I'm planning to go home the week after Halloween, which is like the week of November 1st. So I don't want to get like my knotless braids and stuff just to leave again. So yeah, but I've been wanting knotless braids literally since school started. Like I don't know, I'm kind of torn if I should just save it for when I'm going back to school in January or if I should just get it now. But yeah, I'm so excited to get sushi. I did kind of eat a little, not like a lot. I didn't eat a lot because I've definitely eaten more, but I could have taken it a little bit more easy today since I'm breaking my fast today. Like I had Oreos and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see the fasting video though. I worked really hard on it. I'm gonna edit it tomorrow and hopefully it can be up by Saturday. Waiting to go to this place.
I've been wanting this sushi for a good time. I've been wanting sushi other than HB sushi.
I'm done.
Because HB sushi isn't terrible, don't get me
Right.
wrong, but like, why do you eat it? I mean, it's good. I like it because
Do you eat the wrong ones?
yeah, I get raw and I get cooked sometimes, but I mostly get
Leslie!
raw. Ew.
This girl is crazy, y'all. I'm trying to tell people Leslie is insane.
No, they literally make it a fucking raw fish. Right.
Are y'all gonna get tattoos?
Yes, in January. I'm getting it in January. And I'm gonna get my nose pierced.
Oh my god, really? Destiny just got hers pierced. She said it didn't hurt.
Ooh, that even excites me more because I just don't like pain.
Yeah.
And
Let me
I
tell
find
you,
my
this
brother-
cartilage.
Yes,
Oh my
I
God.
hear so many bad things about cartilage because that's what I want to get next.
I want to get like 6 more, but I don't know if I have the
Same.
tolerance for the pain.
I want to get my triples and then I want to get cartilage and then I want to get my nose and then I want to get my belly button re-pierced.
Guys, we're about to eat that sushi right there. I'm gonna tear it up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, I just got my food. So we both got the popcorn, this garlic popcorn shrimp with the lobster underneath.
I ordered it.
You probably already ordered it. If it said thank you.
No.
You already.
Oh, I ordered the chicken. I just keep going back. It's coming.
You have to like do it on an iPad.
No, I didn't do it.
Okay, order it.
No, you already did. No, I didn't. Those are y'all's. This is mine.
Order her, yes. She got the same thing in dumplings, which look really good. I kind of want some dumplings now. Say hi, Vivian. Say hi, Leslie.
Hi.
I also got, what is this?
No, they're gonna be right there.
This sauce, and I also got wasabi. So yeah. Guys, I got this thing called a California crab roll, and there's no hot sauce. I just feel like it looks like it needs hot sauce. It's very white. I just want to, you know, just like red it up, but I'll let y'all know if it's good. Guys, now we're going to McDonald's. We want dessert, but Leslie's not eating any because she says she's too good for McDonald's.
That's not true.
What is a hot fudge
I will literally vomit on the
I don't know what a
floor.
hot fudge sundae is. I was gonna get caramel on it, or if they had sprinkles, I would have gotten that. But I don't know. Hi guys, I'm in the elevator and I'm on my way to the tower. I'm about to watch, go to like this African history. I think it's like a showcase or something with my friend Abby. So we. Sorry, I had to see if anybody was looking at me. So we. Let me just wait till I get outside. This is embarrassing. Oh shit. Okay, so we are gonna meet at the tower. It's like kind of cold right now. It's like 70, and I'm just wearing like a little shirt as a jacket. Which way is the tower? Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be like a watch party on the lawn, and I'm going right now. There's a lot of cars over here, which is making me nervous. I'm so excited. It's actually kind of cold. It's a good thing I brought this shirt instead of being a t-shirt, and I'm wearing leggings, so I'll be warm. All right, I'll see you guys when I see Abby. Guys, I'm here with Abby.
The essence of this warrior has always been ours, Enyo, minor goddess of war and destruction, the sister of
thing right
Ares,
there.
or sometimes depicted as his lover,
This is a
or
cute
mother,
thumbnail.
or some other important womanly figure, an absolute necessity regardless of how rockets everywhere.
Y'all, I'm turning this candy up. Abby stopped me.
She sure do love being black.
Stop. Shut up. Abby, shut up.
You just.
Are they about to step or no? Okay guys, so we left the event. We're in Abby's room right now. Anyways, when Abby was done flashing, y'all. Ooh, she has snacks. Y'all, I'm about to eat her stuff.
Those are not good snacks at all.
What is this? Give me one.
Okay, good. Girls. That's how he was voguing. Let's talk to the girls. Girls. Hit 1 and 2. Oh, nobody's ever been in my room like actually. Why am I
Your
like?
favorite fucking person.
And it was so fucking cold. I was
Guys, I got a Twix from the
what I
party.
know is
I told him you're ugly.
oh, girl, just
I'm gonna leave it in there. You think I'm joking?
you're just gonna blur it out. Oh my god, I had sex on the sink. I'm so sorry.
Ew!
I'm lying.
You're so
I just
nasty.
told you nobody has been in my room. I need new lashes.
I'm going to be fine.
Weird. Do you know the one here?
No.
You're supposed to be in. Okay. Let's take my wig off, put my scarf on, and do my makeup.
Makeup to go where?
Did I go anywhere yesterday?
Oh my god.
My makeup was still done. But you have to see the really ghetto process.
Guys, I've eaten so much chocolate today. I just got off my fast too. Maybe I should do your makeup for you.
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I don't like when other people touch my face, unless it's my sister. I have to work on learning how to do them by myself, so I can't.
Guys, she has a lofted bed. I don't know how I'm finna get up here.
Girl, use the bodyboard.
I'm gonna jump. Ready?
There's no by force.
1, 2.
Oh god, you really can't get up there.
It's hard being short.
This is how I just get up.
Be my thumbnail. Okay.
I look
Now you got
cross-eyed.
the crazy,
Do it again.
the crazy thought.
Do it again. Wait, I have to make sure I look good. How do you even do a thumbnail?
I'm just gonna screenshot the video.
Oh wow.
Foundation? We don't know her.
Wait, you don't wear foundation?
I do wear foundation,
Oh,
but I'm
I was
not wearing
about to
any
say.
right now.
Wow, your skin is just clear like that?
What can I say? Y'all, look at this with this girl.
On my wedding day.
I hate you. You're so annoying. Guys, it's the Nigerian movie Tears of Rain, part 17. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna play with Abby now. I'll talk to you later. Hi guys, but I just want to come on here really quickly and end the vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.